Hello, vintage outboard motor fans. This is T-Mike out here in lovely South Louisiana on Lake Martin this morning. I'm running Restore number 90. She's a 1958 3 horsepower Johnson JW14. Got her out here amongst the beautiful cypress trees. We're gonna give her a test run. This is gonna be a warm start. I've been running her. She pushes my John boat here about 5 miles an hour. Let's give her a start, see how she does. She's a beauty, fully restored. Carburetor rebuild, magneto, lower unit, gear case, paint job, decals. And this Restore is for me. So a lot of people out there have asked me about my collection. I really don't have a collection, but I've decided I'm going to collect every horsepower 1958 year up to 18 horsepower. So this is the 3 horsepower 1958 Restore number 1 for my collection. Like I said, she's a beauty. She pushes a 14-foot 1958 Feathercraft about 5 miles an hour, which is good for a 3 horsepower. So hope y'all enjoyed the video. Remember, here at T-Mike's, we're doing it one motor at a time. See y'all next video. Hope you enjoyed the video. Here at T-Mike's Vintage Outboards, we're doing it one motor at a time. Please click on subscribe. I guarantee to provide weekly videos. Merci beaucoup and laissez les bon temps rouler.